Hi, welcome to Joys of California Country Living. Please subscribe. And today I have for you an example of a raised garden bed that my husband and I put together. But first I wanted to share with you the follow-up on the eggplant. So let me go ahead and share that with you. So here is the little eggplant. You can see it's doing really well. It's super healthy. I did have a little critter that came by and munched on it when it was pretty small. I haven't treated it with anything. I don't think it really needs treatment because, as you can see on the newer leaves, it's not being eaten. But if I do notice something come by again, then I'll go ahead and create a little organic spray for it. In fact, I'll do a video once showing you guys the little mixture that I've put together. So here is our newest little vegetable garden, and again these are using seedlings that I grew in the greenhouse over winter. I'll show you the structure of the garden bed in just a second. So we've got some tomato plants here. They're going to be coming up over this trellis, which was actually normally used as fencing. And then we've got another little trellis over area over on this side. Okay, so all sorts of lovely little plants going on in here. We've got some parsley, some dill, oregano, savory, thyme, lots of different stuff. And it all seems to be doing very well. I'll come out and kind of check it every day to make sure, every other day to make sure that the plants are doing well, looking for little leaves that might be buried like this. And then you just kind of want to pull those leaves out, giving them a chance to start. Excuse me. And if you have any leaves that are laying down, you can give them a little bit of a support with some rock. It's windy out here today, so my supports aren't doing so well. Looks like this guy's enjoying that spot. And I've got this is oregano here hanging out on a little rock. It's just not going to stand up by itself, so I'm always going to give it a bit of support there. And so this vegetable garden will serve us very well. And let me go ahead and share with you what I used to put it together. So we always try to reuse or repurpose the materials that we have around the house. We'll save them up and store them. We don't really know what they're going to end up becoming. Here are some fence posts that I used as the legs. The siding came from a stairwell that he replaced in the house, and again he kept the wood and didn't know what it would end up turning into, and we've done all kinds of things with it. So here we've got the raised garden bed. For the soil, we actually used the soil that was in the composter, and as you can see, it's got some nice leaves. These are those leaves that I put in one of the videos on composting. I think it was gathering clean materials, and they hadn't quite composted all the way when we were ready to use it, but I'm totally fine with that because they'll just finish on composting and continue adding nutrients into the soil as they do decompose. And the sticks that I had gathered from the native garden, those were all completely decomposed and became part of the nitrous-rich soil. I love the lemons that we've been putting in it, and I'll tell you eventually. I'll do another video about all the different kind of household items that you can use for your composter. And here is what we added in also. So we didn't just do the composting soil, we also mixed it in with some of the JB organics. And so hopefully that'll create a really nice mixture. The plants immediately took to it and are doing very well. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Make it a green one, and take care. Bye.